Our exercise is asking us to choose the equation below, which will be the line of best fit for the scatter plot. As we know, the line of best fit, or trend line, it is a straight line that will stay throughout the whole data in the center of the points, by that meaning the middle. So what we are going to do right now is check each one of the equations A, B, C, and D and see which one of those lines will remain through the center of all those purple points that we have in our sample data. So we're going to start with A. In A, I have y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 10. This is in the slope-intercept form, meaning that I know that 10 is my y-intercept. So I know that the y value of 10 will be a point to start. From there, we have a slope of negative 3 over 4. We know that from here, since this is a negative slope, we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 to the right. So our new point, our second point for this line, will be right here. After we do that, what we need to do is connect these 2 points. Not a perfect line, but we can tell that this is not very accurate. So now we're going to go to B. In B, my equation is y equals negative x plus 10. My slope is negative 1, my y-intercept is positive 10, so I know that I'm going to start at the same point that I started before, at y10. And my slope being negative 1, I'm going to go 1 down, 1 to the right. 1 down, 1 to the right. And now, I'll connect these points. The next line that we have for C is negative 1/2 plus 10. So again, my slope is negative 1/2. My slope is negative 1/2 and my y-intercept is 10. So I still start at 10. And my slope being negative 1/2, I know that I'm going to go 1 down, 2 over. 1 down, 2 over. And we're going to connect these points this way. At last, we have D. And our equation in D is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 10. Again, my slope is negative 3 over 2 and my y-intercept is 10. So I know that I need to start at y10 at the same point that we've been starting. Then, after that, I have a slope of negative 3 over 2, meaning I move down 3, 2 over, down 3, 2 over. And we connect these points. As we graph every single one of our lines, at this point, it should be clear to us that the line that actually remains through the center of all our points is going to be B. B and B are our answer.